Did you know a single tomato plant can produce up to 15 pounds of tomatoes in just one season? But instead of spending $3 to $5 on a small pack at the store, why not grow your own, for less than the price of a single tomato? Even if you have limited space or no garden, you can still grow delicious, juicy tomatoes in a small container right on your balcony, patio, or windowsill. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it for under $5. Let's get started. Seedling. Pushpin Step 1, choosing the right container. Tomatoes love space for their roots, but you don't need a fancy pot. Any 5-gallon container will work. Here are some options that won't cost you a thing. White heavy checkmark. Repurpose an old bucket, just drill drainage holes. White heavy checkmark. Use a fabric grow bag, affordable and great for root health. White heavy checkmark. Even a large plastic storage bin works. Make sure your container has good drainage to prevent root rot. Pushpin Step 2, choosing the right soil. Tomatoes thrive in light, well-draining soil that holds moisture but doesn't stay soggy. Instead of buying expensive potting mix, here's an affordable DIY blend you can make. Spoon 50% garden soil, free from your yard or local compost site. Spoon 25% compost, boosts nutrients. Check if your city gives it away for free. Spoon 25% sand or cocoa coir, improves drainage. Light bulb bonus tip. Adding crushed eggshells or banana peels to your soil gives your tomatoes extra calcium and potassium for healthy growth. Pushpin Step 3, choosing tomato seeds or seedlings. You can grow tomatoes from seeds or cheap seedlings from a local nursery. Some of the best container-friendly varieties include tomato cherry tomatoes, small, sweet, and perfect for containers. Tomato Roma tomatoes, great for sauces and paste. Tomato bush/dwarf tomatoes, compact, making them ideal for small spaces. Light bulb. Want to save even more? Take seeds from a ripe store-bought tomato and dry them out to plant for free. Pushpin Step 4, planting your tomatoes. Tomatoes love deep roots, so plant them deeper than usual. Covering part of the stem helps them grow stronger roots. White heavy checkmark. For seeds, plant them a 1/4 inch deep, water, and keep them in a sunny spot. White heavy checkmark. For seedlings, remove the lower leaves and bury the stem deep for extra root growth. Light bulb extra tip, adding mulch, like grass clippings or shredded leaves, keeps the soil moist and reduces watering needs. Pushpin Step 5, watering and sunlight. Tomatoes love full sun, so make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Sun. Sweat droplets. Watering tips. White heavy checkmark. Water deeply 2 to 3 times a week, more in hot weather. White heavy checkmark. Water at the base, avoid the leaves to prevent disease. White heavy checkmark. If the soil feels dry 2 inches deep, it's time to water. Pushpin Step 6, supporting your tomatoes. As your tomatoes grow, they'll need support to keep the fruit off the ground. Instead of expensive tomato cages, try these free or low-cost options. White heavy checkmark. DIY bamboo or stick trellis, just tie the plant gently with twine. White heavy checkmark. Repurpose an old wire hanger, bend it into a cage shape. White heavy checkmark. Use an old fence panel, lean it against the pot for climbing support. Pushpin Step 7, feeding your tomatoes, for free. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, but you don't need store-bought fertilizer. Here are free or nearly free ways to boost plant growth. Seedling banana peel tea, soak peels in water for a potassium-rich boost. Crushed eggshells, adds calcium to prevent blossom end rot. Fallen leaf compost or coffee grounds, natural, slow-release nutrients. Pushpin Step 8, harvesting your tomatoes. Host, picking a ripe tomato and holding it up to the camera. Tomatoes are ready to pick when they're fully colored, slightly firm, and easily twist off the vine. White heavy checkmark for cherry tomatoes, pick when they turn deep red, or yellow/orange for some varieties. White heavy checkmark for larger tomatoes, let them ripen on the vine until they feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. Tomato bonus tip, picking tomatoes regularly encourages more growth through a season. And that's it. You've just learned how to grow your own delicious tomatoes in a container, for less than $5. Whether you're gardening on a balcony, patio, or small backyard, this is an easy and affordable way to enjoy fresh, homegrown tomatoes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget gardening tips, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite way to eat homegrown tomatoes? Tomato backhand index pointing down. See you in the next video. Happy gardening! Seedling.